Oh shit. Well, this is going to be interesting. I bet I don't make it back in a minute. The only spot really in the whole field. I did made it back. Oh yeah. Walking is still not my favorite thing to do. I wish I could run though. Oh. Man, I wish I could run. Hey, no, don't do that. Oh, that one might have hurt. I believe That one was on the concrete. Way over there. Well, let's go get it. Oh man, brand new thing on the concrete. That's just not good. That's not good. Oh, good grief. Let's see, last I saw of it, well, it might not be concrete. I thought there was a tree involved. Is that a bug? Get away, bug. Everybody wants to be in the show. Wait a minute. There you are, you rascal. Okay. Well, he's doing this. Where are you? He's doing his Cindy imitation. Uh-oh. Battery. Battery MIA. Hey, Cindy. You just sit over there a minute. Oh, good grief. Y'all see anything look like a... Man. Alright. I'm sure this will take a minute. Otherwise, it was doing pretty good. It was doing pretty good. Oh, it just works so good. And then you gotta touch it. And then you just mess it all up. Mess it all up. That's battery number 1. Where's the little chopper? Oh, and I don't know if it's broke. Shouldn't be broke. Doesn't look broke. I don't see broke yet. Oh, it's broke. Well, I actually don't know why it's broke. Why are you broke? Something sure seemed to be. It's brand new. Oh, and the camera's ripped off of it. Let's see. I don't see it. Hang on a minute. No. There's no power to my thingy. I really don't see a reason. Something got snatched out of something. What am I talking about? I'm talking, here, hang on a minute. I'm talking about all this right here. Brand new thingy. Wrecked it. That's just hot glue holding that thing on in view of the camera. That's pretty hard hit because it knocked the camera loose. And I've already got a little crack in the frame. And something, focus please. You want to focus? Something is loose. Last time it was one of the power wires. I can't remember which one. I just soldered it back and it was good as new. Yay, keep going. I really don't see I don't see anything that looks like it would keep it out. I don't see anything. Alright, well, I suppose we're done flying for now. And I was going to go pester them for a minute. That cute little dog, he's precious. They down there, and I was going, anyway, they was, hey little drone, and anyway, it's over now. Golly. And my brand new V2, already out of commission. Don't ask me what I did to it. I wrecked it. I dropped it pretty hard, and now I got no power to it. I don't know why. It's gonna be some surgery, I suppose. So if I'm able to bring it back to life while I'm looking for everything, I'll probably take some of these wires out and twist them, neaten them. I might even do a wrap on them. Little camera. See, I wrecked it so hard. Where are you? I wrecked it so hard, I just knocked the little camera right off. I mean, it's just hot glue, but still. That was a pretty good little bump. Knocked my my indicator. That's going to tell me what's going on light. They didn't put a beeper in it in the factory, so I had to do something that I could visually know what's going on. I got a timer, but yeah, everything works together except for right this minute, man. I don't know, I'm out of commission. So what you gonna do? There's always something, ain't it? It is always something. I hope they find a new home.